everybody, welcome back to my channel. All you're gonna need today is a t-shirt of your choice and a pair of scissors. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is cut off the collar, and then I am going to also cut off the sleeves. Now my sleeves weren't matching up together, so that's why I cut them off individually. And I'm not being too careful with this shirt, I'm just cutting them off, and as you can see the edges are a little rugged, but that's okay, because the rugged the better for these shirts. So the first thing that I'm going to do is work on the front of the shirt, and I am going to do a triangle and cut my slits biggest to smallest, and then I'm going to go to the back and I am going to cut even length slits on the back. They can be as wide as you would like. So I am just going to start from the top and make my way down to the bottom of the shirt. And I folded over that piece just so it makes it a little easier and faster to cut those slits. And right here I am just stretching out my slits I just made on the front and the back. And this is what it's gonna look like. I just grabbed a pillow just so you would be able to see what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna do a simple weave. I believe they actually call that the ladder weave. I may be wrong, but I don't know the actual names for them, these type of weaves, but I'm just knotting it off there, stretching it out again, and then that's it for the front. And then I'm going to move to the back, and then I'm going to do a simple weave again, the same weave that we did on the front. And I'm starting at the top and working my way all the way to the bottom, making sure that I don't miss any strips there. It can get a bit confusing, but so there's my first row, and then I am just moving them all over to the side. Excuse my toes. And I am just going to do another row. So there you go, and I'm just moving them over as I go, so I don't have to do that at the end. I'm pretty sure that I do adjust it anyway. And then once I got them both of those strings there, I will just take that first string that I ended there and I'll just tuck it in, and then I'll tie it off, if that makes sense. And double knot it if you need to, just to secure everything. And I'm going to go back to those sleeves that I cut off earlier, and I'm going to make a long string. So what I'm going to do is just go all around that the sleeve in a circle, in one continuous circle there. I don't know how to explain it, but hopefully the video shows better than me explaining it. Yeah, so once I got a long enough string, I stretch it out so then it rolls up on itself, and then I take the the front there, and then I am just going to make sure my strings are even, and then I'm going to tie a knot just like so and bring it to the back, and then I'm gonna see how long I want my strings there. Oh, sorry. Now I do wish I did make those strings a bit longer because they were a bit tight, but yeah, that is the finished product. So this is what it looks like on. If you like my videos, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell button. Don't you hate it when tags do that? Sorry about that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Bye.